Previously on A Bird's Tale. Last time we have seen Bird as still a newly laid egg. As a recap, we learned about the time interval of laid eggs and incubation period, the basics of proper handling, and caring for Bird, his siblings, and even his parents. Today we'll be learning more tips and tricks in keeping Bird happy and healthy, so stick around to find out more. Please subscribe to Boss's channel, hit the bell icon for notifications, and leave a like and comment.
Hi guys, my name is Bird. Thank you for welcoming me into this wonderful world. I am an African lovebird chick. I belong to the Personata genus of Albs 2. Please like and subscribe this video, and please click the bell button for you to be notified on my journey to this world. I am the first hatched chick in a clutch of 4 by my Personata parents. Dad is a par blue Personata and mom is a blue Personata. African lovebirds chick can be hatched from 22 to 25 days of incubation, and it can take up to 24 hours for a chick to work itself out of the egg. Para po sa mga newbies, ito po ang mga paraan para maalagaan nyo ang mga newly hatched chick na tulad ko. Please do not disturb our parents while taking care and feeding us. Please give our parents nutritious food and a lot of water for us chick to grow strong and healthy. African mix is a very good source of protein, vitamins, and fats. Cattle bone provides calcium for strong bones and teeth. Probiotics for a healthy gut. A healthy gut means good absorption of nutrients, vitamins, and minerals from the food that we eat. It also balances digestive pH level. Our human breeder, Boss Relly, always gives us chopped vegetables. This is vital for our health. Egg food is very important too. Egg food is an essential supplementary nutrition to the daily ration of seed-eating birds like me. If you feed us only with seeds, undoubtedly nutritional shortages will occur because seeds contain insufficient vitamins, trace elements, and amino acids. By supplementing our diet with egg food, deficiencies will be avoided and us birds will feel perfectly healthy. It is recommended to moisten egg food with germinated seeds, some drops of water, grated fruit, and or vegetables. The egg food has to be available at all times during our weaning period. Egg food gives us young birds the essential source of protein that we really need to grow strong and healthy. For the newbies out there, newborn lovebirds like me should not be handled by humans during our first week as we are very fragile. It is best to leave our mama and us alone during this time. Iwasan po na maistorbo kami at ang aming mga parent. During the first few feedings, Mama will provide us with clear liquid filled with nutrients and enzymes to aid in our digestion. Ito po ay tinatawag ng iba na bird milk. After that, Mama Bird will regurgitate food for us babies to eat. Para po sa kaalaman ng lahat, birds who have not yet opened our eyes may take 5 to 6 feedings per day, every 3 to 4 hours. But once their eyes are opened, 3 to 5 feedings are necessary. And as our feathers start to grow, 2 to 3 times per day is needed, that is every 6 hours. Our crop should appear full when done. So please sit back and relax and let our parents do the feeding and caring for us. Thanks for watching. See you soon.
Shout out to Pongpong's Car Wash in Subic, Zambales, Bird Whisperer Celia Charity Solid Team, Happy Aviary in Bulacan, Unified Flyers Philippines Capas Chapter, Tarlac Free Flyers, and special thanks to Horus Probiotics.